We provide professional screenshot text editing services using Adobe Photoshop, performed completely by hand with careful attention to accuracy, clarity, and visual consistency. Our work is based on a fully manual editing process. We do not depend on automatic filters, presets, one-click adjustments, or AI-driven modifications. Every screenshot is opened, reviewed, and edited step by step so that each element, text, alignment, spacing, and visual balance can be controlled precisely. Before beginning any edit, we carefully examine the screenshot. We analyze font style, size, color, background texture, and layout structure. This detailed review helps us understand how the original design was built, ensuring that any new or corrected text integrates naturally with the existing interface or document layout. Once the analysis is complete, we start the manual editing phase inside Adobe Photoshop. Existing text can be cleaned, corrected, replaced, or redesigned while maintaining the same visual style. We match fonts, spacing, color tones, and positioning so the edited screenshot looks authentic and professionally finished. During the editing process, we work carefully with zoom-level precision to preserve sharp edges and smooth typography. We adjust contrast and clarity only when necessary so that the text remains readable without affecting the original screenshot quality. If required, we recreate background areas pixel by pixel to remove old text cleanly before placing new content. Our approach always avoids over-editing. Excessive adjustments can damage image quality or create mismatched elements that make the screenshot look unnatural. Our goal is to produce edits that appear seamless, clean, and visually accurate, as if the original screenshot contained the corrected text from the start. Each screenshot is handled individually with patience and responsibility. Screenshots are often used for business presentations, training materials, documentation, UI demonstrations, marketing content, and client communication. Because of their importance, we ensure every detail, alignment, margins, font weight, and color consistency is checked carefully before final delivery. Security and confidentiality are a strict priority in our workflow. All screenshot files are handled within a controlled editing environment. We do not share, reuse, or expose any image content to third parties. From the moment the file is received until the edited version is delivered, your data remains fully protected. Quality control is applied throughout the entire process. Every edited screenshot is reviewed multiple times to confirm that text placement is accurate, edges are clean, and visual harmony is maintained. Even minor imperfections are corrected to achieve a polished and professional result. Our screenshot text editing services may include correcting spelling, replacing interface text, updating labels, modifying numbers or data fields, adjusting font styling, cleaning background artifacts, and enhancing overall readability. All work is completed manually inside Adobe Photoshop to maintain consistent, high-quality output. We prioritize precision over speed, but we also follow a structured workflow that allows us to deliver projects within the agreed timeline. Efficiency is important, but never at the expense of detail or visual accuracy. This service is designed for clients who require reliable, professional screenshot editing with clean typography and secure handling. Our objective is to provide finished images that are ready for professional presentation, documentation, or publication. If you need accurate screenshot text editing performed manually in Adobe Photoshop with careful attention to detail, confidentiality, and high visual standards, you can contact us at any time to discuss your project requirements.